Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video on this channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different. We all know about last year 2022 when there was a big slash down on the dollar, in the sense that many platforms that offer dollar buying, dollar saving, and everything was being shut down by the CBN policy to save naira. So even I for myself had a barter account where I was able to buy some dollar and save. But since the platform, that channel, that method was being shut down, barter converted my money to naira and put it in my naira barter card. So I was so satisfied then, and I do use that dollar barter card to buy script and software from the places I bought it and hosting that charge me in dollar. But here's the thing now. This in this year 2023, I came to discover about PiggyVest and their dollar option. But in PiggyVest, you will not be able to use the dollar method. Like you're not able to use it as a payment method, but you're able to save. And one thing you should know about saving in dollar helps you save your money for devaluation. Yeah, that is what I also experienced before. Like, there's nothing as sweet as making your money in dollar and they change the Nigeria conversion, and at the end of it, you find out that you have huge money added to the initial one you purchase the dollar for. So somebody told me about dollar, about PiggyVest and the dollar interest and everything about it. So I started to check it out. I opened a PiggyVest account. Sign up, did all the required KYC and everything, and now I just went and found my dollar account, which is called the Flex Dollar account. So in a moment now, I'm going to show you how to buy dollar on PiggyVest Flex Dollar account. Yeah, how to buy dollar from PiggyVest Flex Dollar account. So, but what you should know is that in a way to reduce the rate of people buying dollar or debit from it is they made the dollar high. So on the black market, according to AboKFS, let me go down to now to the AboKFS session. So quickly, I want to show you a different differential gap here now. I contacted my exchanger Bureau de change on how much is a dollar to a naira to dollar now. Showed me that it told me that it is 730 or 736 thereabout. So I head over to the place I normally check on the current dollar rate to naira, which is abokiforest.app. So I came to discover that it has already rise now to 750, because there was a slight down before. It still rise to 7 something and ever, but after that it went down to 750 and ever. So but now in this week we are now in the week 4, of January or thereabout. Yeah, the week 4. I guess this is the last week of the month of January. Yeah, and the week 4 of January. So dollar to naira to dollar or dollar to naira now is buying at 750, selling at 757. So but if you also follow me and I go to my PiggyVest session, my aboki told me that is 730, my bureau de changer now. So you will see that PiggyVest dollar flex rate is kind of high if you are buying, but if you are saving, you are enjoying, it's a nice kind of day. But I don't believe that, and they offered you to withdraw it in terms of if a short period, before that night it can devaluate more than, it can go beyond that or go above that. So let me open it now. So on the PiggyVest account, you open the home page on the app. Yeah, on the PiggyVest app, you open the home page. If you have done the whole procedure, you're going to see the dashboard I'm seeing now. I turn on the dark mode so that I'm enjoying the interface. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to open a PiggyVest bank account. Why save with PiggyVest instead of Bangolo or Saving Boss? In my next video, I'm going to drop all of those. So when you go, you can sit among the line of this, or just scroll down and go to a quick option session, and you see Flex Dollar. There are different other method. So the Flex Naira just on Naira, your PiggyVest Naira account that you can easily withdraw, use, and thereabout. And one good thing why I love PiggyVest is that they have option for save log, for a different method of saving now. Yeah, PiggyVest have different type of saving method. So this is the home page of PiggyVest mobile app account. So you can head over for a quick option to see your savings options and see different options that PiggyVest offer. Head over to the saving icon on the app that look like that, take a target icon and name saving. So I just only open my PiggyVest saving account and I just funded it with 2,000 naira so that I can navigate and see through how everything works. So this is the Piggybank. PiggyVest is the name of the company, the business enterprise. Piggybank is a street saving automatically weekly. Okay, that if you want to have a target of, okay, let me save so amount for social purpose, that's when you should use a Piggybank, just like your Pangolo. So it will help make you be a street saver or street saving. So you can set your daily or weekly or multiple, and you're gonna have 10% interest per annum. Yeah, for the piggy bank, your piggy bank is also your core saving wallet on PiggyVest. You can automatically save into this wallet daily, weekly, monthly, manually. There are 4 free withdrawal days to ensure discipline on your saving. Okay, so you can create that and set up auto save, or you use the Naira Flex. The Naira Flex is just the particular amount of what you have on your PiggyVest account. You can use it to, this is the cash account for you to keep your fund for emergency, receive fund, transfer and withdraw. Okay, so also for transfer, withdraw, save, emergency purpose or whatever. So on that section, so you'll be able to find your PiggyVest account number, where a sterling bank account number where you fund, and it automatically credits your PiggyVest account. So on these 2 options I've explained now, then they have the one that's like a fixed deposit. So this one is called save log. Save log, there's no, okay. So save log allows you to set money aside for certain period of time without having access to it until maturity. It's like having your own custom fixed deposit. You earn 30% interest per annum or paid upfront. So you see, you are in control. You set the desired duration of the time to lock the fund. You can also lock it for as little as 10 days and as much as 1,000 days. That is for save lock. So we have another option that is called target. So target is to save with discipline towards a specific goal or target. Earn interest every day on your save wallet. Help you. So if you have this save target, you can join a challenge, like people that want to save for a specific amount of money, or create your own and set up a group. If you have a group or thereabout, you can be able to so okay, let's save so and so amount for a certain period of time, and everybody check on each other, then ensure that everybody is saving. That's for the group save target and thereabout. So that is how it works. What PiggyVest is good at, if you help you save on different time. If you have enough fund, you should just try all the method and see the one that really will favor you. So this is the Flex Dollar, the PiggyVest Flex Dollar account. And before that, okay, yeah, I guess that is the last saving option on PiggyVest. So it's a current interest rate of 7.0% per annum. So I've recently bought a $1 on PiggyVest Flex Dollar account just to test the whole process, so that you people will okay like just to show you the method I used to buy dollar from PiggyVest. And at the time I bought it, the rate was at 760, which you can see. And that was 23 of this January. So you can do some different things with this dollar. You can actually, if you have a dollar cash, you can actually pay to uh the domiciliary account of this one. Yeah, it's like okay. So actually, you can buy dollar here from the PiggyVest account. Select a destination account, enter amount to transfer, name of the bank, bank code, enter account number, retype account, enter account name, bank address, routing number, code, SWIFT code. So you can actually buy dollar here and transfer to your domi. Yeah, if you have a dollar account, you can actually buy dollar here and transfer to your dollar account instantly. Or convert naira. Now convert your naira to convert your dollar to naira. Yeah, you can actually also convert your naira and the dollar on the platform, or view pending interest that your dollar have accumulated, or transfer to a friend using a PiggyVest instantly. So let's buy. So to buy a dollar on PiggyVest, since I've already bought before, they will show you what we do. You sit as an auction, but since I've already made an get started process, I can see the option again on this and what you will do. So what you should do, just tap on the your balance. It's going to show you welcome to the Flex dollar account. So looking for a way to protect your money for devaluation, save interest, invest, transfer in dollar. So you decide to transfer, withdraw in dollar, or even convert back to naira at your own convenience. So no penalty. You don't need to pay any penalty for transfer, withdrawal, and funding and withdrawal of your dollar account. So currently I have a $1. So if I want to fund, I'll just click on fund my dollar account. So it's going to show me at the rate now. Okay, buy dollar. So enter the amount of dollar to purchase. $1 is currently at 760. So just enter the amount of dollar you want to buy, whether it's one, whether it's two, whether it's any amount of dollar you want to buy. You just enter it, and you will be able to like. Okay, let me go through the whole process now. So let me enter $1 again. So you just tap to preview. They're going to show you a summary of what you are buying. You are also buying $1 at 760. I'm not supposed to be buying at this. This 760 is also a high rate. I could have let it go down to 727 something before I could buy again. But for the sake of showing this entire process again, I will have to buy the dollar so that you see everything is going. So they're also confirm your dollar purchase and buy $1 at the cost of 760. So source of funding is I'm using my PiggyFlex wallet. So that is it. So with that, I hereby confirm this dollar purchase. Also authorize PiggyVest to debit my selected payment method in Naira to credit my dollar Flex wallet. So I click on it, I agree to the terms and conditions, and I credit my dollar account. So you can only buy once in 10 hours at the moment. Please try again. So since I've already bought before, I can only buy again at some other time again. So till then, after 10 hours. So till then, ciao ciao. So I hope that this video educates you about PiggyVest saving option and how to buy a dollar on PiggyVest account. So if you love this kind of money sense kind of video, how to use apps and every other tech info and tips and personal finance details, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and leave a comment on the next video you want me to talk about, or what you learned from this video, or how these tips help you. Thank you very much. Ciao ciao.